welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ny Millani, and I'm back with another video. I know I didn't see my face in a long time, but your girl is back and better now. Well, I don't look better with this bonnet on, but that's what we're here for today. But today's video is gonna be a hair tutorial slash wig glue review. I don't even know what I'm gonna name this video, but whatever the title is gonna be for this video is what this video is gonna be about, which is gonna be me trying out this new hair glue featuring my wig, obviously. So today's special guest is, hold on. So for those of you who are familiar with BOLDHOLD, I don't know if y'all like noticed that they have like this new, like, I wouldn't call it glue, but it's like gel, but it's supposed to be like a strong holding gel for your wigs, like to hold your wigs down instead of using, you know, glue. So I wanted to try it out, but when I went, they had two, so I'm like, do I get that one? Do I get this one? Which one to get? I didn't know, so I got both. So this one is the BOLDHOLD Lace Jelly, and then this one is the BOLDHOLD Liquid Glue. So today I'm gonna be trying out both of them, like half and half of my wigs. I only got one head, so yeah, let's get straight into the video. So for this video, I'm gonna be using my little old Amazon wig. She look a little crazy right now, but that's because I had her in the bag. Like, I just put my wigs in the bag and throw them wherever, you know? But this is my little wig. I think there's like a this is a, what is this? I don't even know. I think it's like a 14-inch wig from Amazon. I know it's from Amazon because y'all be sleeping on Amazon. Amazon got some good hair, but this is she. And yeah, let's fix her up. So first, I'm gonna tighten my elastic bands. I like my wigs to be secure, right? So if I don't tie like this, then I put them like in the straps close together, like so. Hold on. Then I put them together in the back like this, like real close together, and then I put it on. I got my mix in already. Alright, so for this wig, I don't want to use a ball cap because that's time consuming. I don't have time for that right now, but alright, so for me, I'm gonna speed the video up and like just probably play some music. Or I'm gonna sing for it now. I'm not gonna sing, but that's me looking over here or there. It's kind of looking in the mirror. But let's glue this wig down because I look crazy. So right here, I'm applying the first layer of the lace jelly. Then I'm blow drying it so it could get tacky and dry faster. And I'm sorry for chewing the gum, y'all. I don't know what made me put that gum in, but the gum was irking me watching this. But once again, I'm sorry. So this was after like 2 layers, but in total I did like 3 using the lace gel. Yeah, I'm just combing the baby hairs out because I didn't want them to like get gelled into the lace like when I go back to the baby hairs. So right here I'm just combing them out so they could like be on top of the lace. I don't know. So now I'm going in with the liquid gold to do the other side, since I did say I was comparing the two. And the liquid gold came in like this little like lip gloss tube type bottle. So it's kind of like you could use like the top of it as like an applicator. So instead of you having to touch it like to rub it in and stuff or spread it out, you could use the top of the tube. I don't know the name for it, but y'all can see it. And with this one, I also used 3 layers. Okay, so this was after everything dried. As you can see, it looked kind of ashy on camera, but in person, it wasn't ashy. This is a fresh wash and set. Minus the edges with the front. It's white right here. I think this from like me touching it. Maybe I put it on wrong, but I'm gonna fix that. Y'all know how they be in them hair videos and they be like, then like the hairstylists come and be like, or they be like, shake it, shake it. Oh, it's done. I could have broke my neck just now. Nah, yo, it's done not coming off. Nah, the way I'm pulling it though. Hold on. Let me look like holiday heart. Y'all see that? Nah. It's no lace lifting or nothing. Alright, minus the white part. I'm about to go off camera and fix the white. Yeah, I'm squatting because my hot comb won't go but this far. I'm standing up. Call me Ny Burgos. Mine is to break out. My skin broke out so bad. Who am I giving right now? Bernice Burgos or Jada? Because y'all say Jada, I need to go find me a little baby. Wait, pause. I forgot. Sorry. No offense to my good sis Jada, but if baby was my boyfriend, he would have got beat up a long time ago. And I ain't talking about no little slap here and there 1, 2. I'm talking about calling my girls. Feel me? We just not gonna talk about that, but Jada's pretty though. I still love her. Alright, let me fix this. They leave. Alright, so I just went off camera and fixed like that white part and did my edges. Oh my god, I got hiccups. I don't like my edges. I don't like my edges, but what I did notice was I used the lace jelly. I'm gonna put a picture of it right here, but I used that on this side, and when I went to do my edges, you know, like how to take the comb and kind of like swoop, whatever, and it didn't lift. So I think I like that one better. And as you can see, like when I first took the thing off, this side wasn't white. I don't know, but I think I like the lace jelly better than the liquid gold. And then on this side, it lifted OD. But once it dry, I can't see that. Once it dry, it holds a lot. And like once it's completely dry, cause like right here in this area, it was like completely dry, and it was not coming off like at all. But so far, I like both of them, like holding wise. But personally, me, I prefer the lace jelly. I'm gonna put a picture of it whenever I talk about it, cause they both got, yeah. But BRB. So this is what after I did my edges, yeah. Oh, y'all hear it ripping? Crit. All right. Oh, don't mind if I do. I look pretty. No, but it was white somewhere. Hold on. Girl. Hold on, cause my cheeks broke out. Well, my whole face broke out. Like, hold on, let me zoom in. Cause what? I had to turn the back camera. I don't know how to zoom in, but you see me. Hold on, wait. Let them get into it. It look ashy, but it's that not. But you see me. Oh, I like this. I like this. Let's try to. No lace is lifting. Alright, BOLDHOLD. I see ya. I guess I could go throw away my lace glue. Cause you won't never catch me using that again. Period. That's why I can't stop touching my hair now. Like, oh. Ever gonna tell you who? Who? What? Where? When? How? Who? Oh. But unless I want to watch me, you know, play my hair for the next 30 minutes, that's the end of this video. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. You never know, one of your friends might need this glue, because I definitely needed it. And I don't think I see nobody do like this comparison. But once again, this time I used the, what is it called? The lace jelly. Lace jelly. And then for this side, I used the liquid gold. I don't know which one is my favorite. The liquid gold holds stronger. You just gotta be careful when install. I like both of them, to be honest. I like the liquid gold for like actually applying it, like installing it, and then the lace jelly for your edges. Cause maybe, hold on, maybe if I turn it. See, just call me Jada Waiter. Just kidding. But Ny Millani out.